Today I will show you how to find saved posts on Instagram, and if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to launch our Instagram application, and we're going to go to our profile. Now for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to go to the home page, and we're going to save a post first. So we have this post saved. Let's start a collection. Let's go to tutorial, and then we click on save. Now to find this saved post, what we can do is we can go back to our profile, and we can go to the hamburger, which is at the far right of the top navigation. We click on it, and once we click on it, under the settings and activity, we can see saved under how you use Instagram header. We click on it. Now you can see the saved posts here. We have all posts here, and you can see all saved posts here. If you slide to the right, you can see the reels. And if you go back, you can see the topic of the post that we've been able to organize and save also. Now that's how to find saved posts on Instagram. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.